Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stocks with eTrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer stocks using eTrade, start by logging into your eTrade account. Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Select Transfers. Choose Transfer an Account. You'll be prompted to for a stock transfer, select Transfer from another broker. Enter the name of your current brokerage firm. Input your brokerage account number. Provide any additional required information, such as your account type. Next, indicate the securities you wish to transfer. You can either select specific stocks or transfer your entire portfolio. Review the list of stocks and ensure they are correct. Once verified, click Continue. You'll see a summary page detailing your transfer request. Double-check all the information for accuracy. If everything looks good, submit your transfer request. eTrade will then initiate the transfer process. You'll receive a confirmation email regarding your request. Transfers typically take a few days to complete. Keep an eye on the status in your eTrade account. Once finalized, your stocks will appear in your eTrade portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.